How does this thing work, honey?
What the frick are you doing there? Oh, sweet cheeks. I'm cleaning right now. Can you go videotape my? Can you go videotape Ed?
Ed?
Yeah,
Ed? Ed? Ed?
Ed?
Ed?
Ed?
There's our turtle.
Hey, Ed.
This is what you see. Our turtle.
Somebody call my name.
Oh my gosh, I look like I'm
Ed.
look how black my hand looks.
Ed.
Ed?
Ed is here. Did somebody call my name? Oh, shoot.
Where's Ed?
My towel was unwrapping. Hey. Where? Oh. Okay. Fine, fall asleep then. You had too much energy drinks anyways. Can you help me unwrap my towel back? Because I can't seem to do it because I can't. Oh, look, I can.
Why is your hair wrapped up, honey? You don't even have any hair.
I have hair.
You're going bald.
I have hair.
You're going bald from all the cancer.
It's called...
Okay, you know what? Shut up. You don't know anything. You're bald.
Oh, I know something.
What?
I know that she got a bow job the other week.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, see, I do know something.
I know something that you better move your fat ass out of my seat.
I'm gonna go get an apple. I can't handle drama. I don't know what she's talking about. I did not get a boob job.
One boob is way bigger than the other, so honey.
It's from my mama.
I got it from my mama.
I got it from my mama. Peace out.
Hey, don't.
Why does this apple taste so funny?
Oh, it's a crab apple. It's from the crab apple tree in the backyard.
I don't know how ants all over it.
Well, I don't know how to reach so high, so I pick them off the ground.
I want to show people how to eat a banana.
I also have a banana.
You know your dirty ways.
I also have a banana tree. Why is the screen black? Is it my hair? Oh, I also have a banana tree in the backyard.
And this is how you eat a banana.
Let's watch.
You go like that.
All I made is a whore. I swear.
You chew it.
What, Mama? She's showing the camera how to get a banana. But she's the mistress. You know your husband? She's been doing him every night.
That's stupid. You're cool.
Every night she's been doing.
You slut. Get over here.
This is a long video. Well, I'm sorry, people. I guess we have to leave. This is the mistress.
Bye.
Bye, my people. See you later.